In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money on Bitget so you can start trading. First, open the Bitget app or website and log in. On the home screen, go to Assets or Wallet and make sure you're on the Spot tab, because that's where your deposited funds will arrive. It also helps if your KYC verification is completed, since some payment methods require it. Next, tap Deposit or Buy Crypto. You'll usually see a few options, such as bank card, bank transfer, or P2P trading. And choose the method that works best in your country. For card or bank transfer, select your local currency, enter the amount you want to deposit, and pick the crypto you want to receive, like USDT. Confirm the order, complete the payment on your bank or card page, then return to Bitget. If you use P2P, pick a trusted advertiser, check their price, limits, and payment method. Place an order, send the money to their bank or wallet, then tap Paid and wait for them to release the crypto. Once it's done, your balance will show under Assets arrow spot. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.